का बटन दबा देना।
हो गया हो गया हो गया।
यस। Oh man, this place is epic.
It is. अभी राइट लेना।
राइट लेना है?
हाँ।
ये कहाँ पे जाता है?
Zoomed out, too zoomed out. Kanakuram है शायद यहाँ पे। साइड कानाकुरम बीच पे जाता है। बोला अरे अपन यहाँ से आए कल अपन जब गए थे ना बाहर अरे वो दाई की करके बात नहीं आप पूछे तो वो अपने को आते जाते हर बार दिखता है आता हुआ
receive up to 1400 meters of rain
every month, every day.
So that's
a rainforest.
Yeah, like the thing is, it has to be really close to a river, which they are. That's the reason they are lush.
बारिश 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 यहाँ पे कोई छुपने की जगह नहीं है।
Trailer girls are on the outside, on the outside, on the outside. This looks like a job for me with the.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. In an Alto. मस्त एकदम लात मारा तो मेरे को।
अरे तो उसके बाद थोड़ा तो लात खेलना चाहिए। Makes you more worth it. Up the level, you know. Level 8. Level 8. nice city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. I want you to take me home. What could I put?
Horticulture competition. This is where yeah,
Feeling hot, 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 hot. All are feeling hot. Temperature all feels hot. And one more.
straight.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is 200 Okay, backing up.
आजोबा देवस्थान.
सॉ आजोबा. रास्ता नाही आहे का पुढे? रास्ता नाही आहे का पुढे?
उसको टर्न मारना था. अपने वैसा बीच को छू के वापस आना पड़ेगा, पता है तेरे को? अपने वैसा बीच को छू के वापस आना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज लिफ्ट ठंडी हो जाएगा. They have just split the road into 200 meters.
मैं गाय से डर रहा हूँ, गाय से डर रहा है.
Guy डरा नहीं था. It was trying to hump another guy.
फोर्ट कुठे आहे? फोर्ट कॅप्टेरम. हा किती लांब आहे?
आम्ही पण इकडे नवीनच आलोय.
नाही मराठी येते मला, कोकणी पण नाही.
अरे कर ना फिर ये बोला तेरे को. ये तो क्या बोला.
आमच्या स्किन कलर कॉम्प्लेक्स बघा ना, लाईक नॉट डार्क ब्राऊन. आम्ही लाईट ब्राऊन, आम्ही पण
बघा बघा बघा.
तुम्ही अमिताभ
विला पिंटू.
अमिताभ बच्चनला
बचपन ना.
अमिताभ बच्चनला ओळखते का?
Oh, look at this man, this guy, Pintu, has this entire land.
Yeah, it's
And a restaurant.
oh fuck.
Where is the fucking beach?
Bro, visiting us at 9 a.m.
Archaeology.
Oh bro, there is beach in this.
In this?
I guess. Indulging in any prohibited activity. Consumption of liquor, smoking, spitting on the beach, urinating, defecating, throwing water. Nudity is banned on all Goa beaches.
What is UTT?
Huh?
What is UTT?
I know people nude beach होता. So you can actually procreate.
हाँ.
You can procreate.
but not be nude. How's that possible? Take. It's still on.
अरे bro, ये देख
No.
moisture आ गया इसके अंदर बेंचो. It's on?
Yeah, it's on. Don't worry,
Fuck, it has moisture, bro.
It'll go. Don't worry.
Okay, yeah, like the moisture is there in the screen also. What the fuck, man?
ये waterproof नहीं है क्या?
This is Canon D. Canon in D by Pachelbel. Bro, can you like network है क्या? Do you have network? No. Fuck, you cannot play Pachelbel in Canon D. Canon in D.
Is beach back here?
I guess so. We'll have to come with Rahi too.
No, to find out where the beach is.
Yeah, because going alone is scary.
Why? Why the fuck is it scary?
I don't know.
What the fuck, dude?
There's this movie called Into the Wild.
Yeah, that's what we are doing, bro. Chill out.
Yeah, but he dies in the end.
Yeah, that's okay. Death is just a natural occurrence.
I have to overcome my fear.
Yeah.
See, there's somebody staying underneath this tarpaulin because that's what people do here in Goa. They encroach by putting tarpaulin. There are more little people staying underneath this pishwi.
Oh, dude, ये तो फोर्ट के ऊपर जा रहा है सीधा रास्ता.
अरे, I don't want to defend, man.
What?
I don't want to defend Catholics. What do I do?
You don't go on the fort.
Yeah,
Maybe we
I choose to stay below the fort.
Yeah, maybe we can go on the fort and see.
Yes. Vasco da Gama went to drama.
इधर से नीचे से बीच साइड.
Chal. Chal. Are you sure we have time? You have 10 o'clock ka meeting. So? Suche. Bro.
You're taking a video?
I guess so.
Okay.
Acha, listen. I think we should go back. It's 8:30 now.
Okay, fine, chal.
But अभी इतना पास आ गए हम लोग. I'm in the middle of the fork road, man. But wait. But wait. Where is the bis? Where is the bis, man? I don't see no bis. I don't see no bis, man. Bis. Oh, look at those beautiful bis. It looks like abyss. Abysmal. It's abysmal abyss. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, grrr. 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 That was good. Grrr. Grrr. Okay, I'm not going down. Bro, yeah, we have taken enough risk for the day.
Not yet. Like, यहाँ से सीधा ट्रैक करके नीचे. But there is no beach.
Yeah, you'll just fall into the water like rolling stones, like a rolling stone.
Oh fuck!
Fuck! Look at the
view, man.
Look at it crashing. This camera cannot record that shit. It can just do shit, record what is in front of it. That's it. Like literally, it cannot see that. Like over there, what's happening?
क्या blur करता है क्या?
ब्लर नहीं, उसका आंख वहां तक जाएगा नहीं. उसका आंखों में अंधेरा समा जाएगा क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा.
अबे यहाँ पे बीच ही नहीं है वो.
हाँ, वो पानी है, गंदा पानी है वहाँ पे.
It's just rocks.
Yeah, I don't want to go to the rocks. My life is already on the rocks, bro.
Yo, bro.
Yeah. Chalo, let's go back. Simon, go back. Simon, go back from this Cap di Ram. Oh, look at that banana, bro.
Oh fuck!
Look at that banana, bro.
Is that a real banana?
So banana, na 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 na.
वैसे इतना बड़ा बनाना कहाँ से आता है?
अरे वो बनाना नहीं है, बनाना के ऊपर वाला चीज है वो.
Oh.
Banana के like it grows below those leaves.
Should we take it?
it is not banana. It's family of banana, but it's not banana.
So not eatable.
I am not too sure.
Okay, then fuck it.
I'm not too sure whether it's edible.
If we go home, we eat it and we die. That'll be fun.
No, we won't die because banana species are not actually. They don't have any poison as such.
अच्छा.
So you can consume that thing, the bulb of banana.
अभी आज जाते टाइम मैं चला रहा हूँ.
क्यों?
Because मेरे को चलाना है.
नहीं तो मेरे को बस डर लगता है बे.
किसका?
तू भगाएगा लग रहा है मेरे को.
कुछ भगाएगा नहीं मैं.
हाँ बेंचो बारिश हो रही है इतनी.
बस 10 स्पीड पे नहीं चलाऊंगा मैं.
हाँ?
10 पे नहीं चलाऊंगा. ड्राइव एट में भी 30. फक साले इतने से भी थक गए बे.
बुढ़ापा. Yeah, old now.
What the fuck? Already feel healthy. It's like healthy seeping in from the ground.
I think we'll come with Rai next time.
And see where the beach is, if there is a beach.
Like, does she have anything better to show than what we just saw? Then I will judge her. I'll be like, hey, Rai, you can be better than this.
अपने को पानी दिख रहा था, and अपने को port दिखा. There is the seashore.
I was like, Rai, it can be better. You can be better.
रेत कहाँ गई रेत?
रेत. इस रेत में हम रेत नहीं देखेंगे. जिस रेत में हम लोग जा रहे हैं, इस रेत पे हम रेत नहीं देखेंगे. Okay, Canon Indie by Pachelbel. See another Canon. हाँ, Canon के हाथ लंबे होते हैं. But I don't see no hand.
Look at the moat.
मोट. Yes. यहाँ पे ना सब मोटे लोगों को फेंक देना चाहिए अंदर, है ना? Like moat is filled with motus. Motus.
Look at that big butterfly.
क्या bro?
That's a big butterfly. इतना बड़ा butterfly.
Oh, like does it have a name or is it just called big butterfly?
Yeah, big butterfly. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a big ass butterfly, but does it have a name?
No man, that's a sparrow butterfly. Sparrow turned butterfly, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You put on the maps.
You know how to go back. There is no
You drive. You put on the map.
like literally we know how to go back. We don't need
Straight?
maps now.
Straight back.
You know how to go back, right?
How
We
do
know
you
how to go back
How?
by driving.
Yeah, that's I know.
But we know the road also.
Acha, okay, then drive.
वहीं से तो हाँ.
Then show me.
अभी तो सीधा जाना हमको. अभी तो सीधा ही जाना है.
Okay, cool sir.
Hello butterfly. This is as you see, it's a carbon negative butterfly. If this butterfly was in Europe, we would receive credits for being carbon neutral because it's a green butterfly.
What timing?
This is why you need a helmet cap, man.
So that it's on 24 hours?
Yeah, like you just turn it on and you talk garbage. Talk nonsense. Like stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
See you here.
You can do a complete stand-up comedy inside it. Big number.
Like people I say, why do you stand my helmet? But then I stand-up comedy. अरे it's not fun anymore, bro.
What?
सुबह का जो मजा था ना, अब नहीं है.
You got used to it, no? That's why.
It's not used to it. It's not cool. The air is not. सुबह का AC का मजा आ रहा था. It was like I just, you know, somebody shouted AC where my ass was.
You're weird, man. Sometimes, sometimes you're really weird.
I don't think I'm weird. Sometimes I'm always weird, bro. Sometimes I'm normal.
I was just softening the blow.
Sometimes I'm normal.
Oh,
You get small packets of normal.
normalism.
Normal.
Normalcy. Okay.
Because they're very close to sea, na?
Shit, actually.
See.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Look at the coke and coconut. How much coke can you make out of coconut? How much cocaine can you make out of coconut?
Huh?
How much cocaine can you make out of coconut, man?
I don't know. You say. How much?
Are you loco, bro?
No, bro.
Loco, bro?
No, bro. I am a coco, bro.
Muy loco Pinocchio.
I am a coco.
Muy loco Pinocchio.
Me, coco.
Coco Paco. This is called my quality routine. पर देसी जाना नहीं. वादा निभाना मैंने महाराष्ट्र बड़ा पकाना. तो अभी थोड़ा टाइम है, 1 घंटा हमारे पास. We'll reach in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then we'll have some time. बैठ के गान बना दे तेरा लैपटॉप में. We'll see whether we can run pirated shit. Okay. Then अगर pirated shit चल रहा है, then we'll install Apple का like movie वाला Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro. Okay. Do it afterwards because already when the videos are and Maskodi is this man. बस छोड़ दिया.
अभी किधर जाना है? राइट? ओके वेट. श्री शांतादुर्गा टेम्पल. लेफ्ट. एक सॉरी. वो साइड में.
कौन सा साइड?
हो देगा.
अरे हाँ. We go to Betal.
हाँ.
Look at that cat. That is like a monkey, bro.
Where?
Open it now. Are you taking the video of that cat? That cat jumped like a monkey, bro.
Okay, bro.
अरे ऊपर देख.
हाँ देख रहा हूँ मैं, bro.
It jumped like a monkey, bro.
Okay, bro.
The cat का tail is cut in half, bro.
Tail cut है.
Yeah, tail cut हो गया. Nose cut हो गया. Cat का tail cut हो गया. White cat. That house has an eye, bro.
Nice, bro.
Citric cool. Listen up. If your brother is an eye, bro.
Shit. Okay, fine. That's bad. Absolutely